These are the tools you require to replace the plug. Phillips head to remove the side covers, zip ties and pliers. First of all, we need to remove the side covers. Right, there's two plugs in there, big plug, little plug. Disconnect your little plug, which is your steering. Disconnect your big plug, which will just pull apart. Cut the zip tie that holds the two plugs in carefully and remove it. Right, so all I'm going to do is just slide them back now till they're all in the small bits of their wire. Push one through first, pull it out, push the next one through. So it's just a matter of pulling them out, leaving your curly tail wire in there. There's your plug. Now the part you will receive will look exactly like this. Right, now we're going to put it back together. Start with your big wire first. Just put him through like that. Then take your smaller wire, just push him through. Pull him through. Pull your main cable through. Okay, put your zip tie on, stop them coming back out. Connect your two big plugs. Then connect your plug for your steering. Trim your zip tie off, put your covers back on.